Hello, welcome to session 14. This session is for BCom first semester Basic English. In this session, we shall discuss about E.V. Lucas, who has written the essay Bores, which is prescribed for BCom first semester. So, introduction to E.V. Lucas and his works. Learning objective for this session is to inspire the student community to study about the author. Session outcomes for this session is to empower the students to know that life is precious. So E.V. Lucas, birth and parentage. So Edward Ferrall Lucas, better known as E.V. Lucas, was born in June 1868 in Eltham, Kent. The name of his parents was Alfred Lucas and Jane Druitt were his parents. Lucas was educated at Friends School in Saffron Walden. At the age of 18, he was apprenticed to a bookseller because of his father's incompleteness, means he had to work at the age of 18 as an apprentice to a bookseller. E.V. Lucas, a versatile writer. So E.V. Lucas wrote in a variety of genres. He is a well-known English biographer, poet, novelist, short story writer, essayist, and also a playwright. Apart from it, he was also a publisher and editor. He was a humorist. We can find humor in all his essays. His essays are written in a humorous style. He started his career as a journalist and then joined the staff of humorous magazine Punch. E.V. Lucas and his style of writing. So Lucas had an exemplary humorous style. In his essays, he displays his talent both as a humorist and a satirist. So both humorist and satirist vein we find in Lucas's writings. His humorous style made him very popular among his readers. His major works, The Open Road, was published in the year 1899. Highways and Byways in Susser, published in 1904. A Wanderer in London, published in 1906. O'Hare Bemerton, 1908. Good Company, published in 1909. Old Lamps for New, published in 1911. Fixed Vintages, published in 1919. Giving and Receiving, published in 1922. Encounters and Divergence, 1924. Reading, Writing and Remembering, published in 1932. Pleasure Trove, published in 1935. And his well-known books containing his essays are Phantom Journal and Thoughts at the Ferry are two books in which his essays are published. So let us have a recap. So E.V. Lucas, that is Edward Ferrall Lucas, is a well-known English biographer, poet, novelist, short story writer, essayist and also a playwright. He had an exemplary humorous style of writing. His style made him very popular among his readers. In the particular essay, that is Bores, he displays his talent both as a humorist and a satirist. Now let us have some questions. The first question, who wrote the essay Bores? The answer is E.V. Lucas. Second question, when was Edward Lucas born? It is 1868. E.V. Lucas was a biographer, novelist, poet, all the above. The answer is all the above. Which well-known magazine did Lucas join? The Punch, the Tatler, the Spectator, none of the above. The answer is the Punch. And the last question, which of the following is the style of Lucas's writing? One is humorous style, satiric style, both the above, neither of the above. The answer is both the above. Thank you.